Hello everyone. Today's topic is the prepositions. What is a preposition? It is a word or a phrase that is used before a noun to show its place, time and direction. So why it is important is that it shows the relationship between a noun and the other word. We have many prepositions according to its usage. For example, here we have prepositions of place. Can you see here? So the kitten is located somewhere and we have to describe it with the preposition of place. In, inside, on, under, onto, in front of, beside, out of, behind and through. These are called as prepositions of place. Now it is prepositions of time. In this we have only three prepositions as it, on and in. So at means when it refers to a particular time, for example at 3 o'clock, at 10:30 a.m. at noon, it is at, and in means it is the month, year, centuries and long periods together. In May, in summer, in the summer, anything. Yes, and on means it refers to the days and dates. Prepositions of direction. Here these prepositions are used to refer the directions such as up, down, over, to, away from, out of, into, onto, like that. These are called as prepositions of directions. And now it is prepositions of movements. Around, down from, next to, into, out to, through, in front, like that. These are the examples of prepositions of movements. Thank you.